Welcome to 31 Great Western Drive here in the beating heart of Vermont South. Welcome to this luxurious family home in a terrific location. Well, with a floor plan that really does tick all the boxes, open plan right the way throughout, it's a home that you really must come and see for yourself. Well, thank you for watching. Our friendly team can help you in Mandarin, Cantonese, Vietnamese, and of course English. We look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon.